Hello and welcome to the video installation guide for the TELUS Smart Hub Outdoor Unit and the TELUS Wi-Fi Hub. This guide gives you an overview that helps to connect your Smart Hub Outdoor Unit in the best location, pointing to the best cell tower in your area, and to set up your Wi-Fi with TELUS Internet. If you haven't already downloaded the TELUS Connect app, you can scan the QR code in your installation guide for the link and follow the step-by-step instructions from the app. The first step is to assemble your Smart Hub Outdoor Unit. Begin by making sure you have all the necessary parts and tools. Some are included in the box, and some you'll need to provide yourself. Next, you'll need to insert the SIM card into the outdoor unit. Make sure the chip is facing downward and the notch is on the left. Then, insert the end of the Ethernet cable that has a cover into the unit. Push the cover up and use the Allen key to screw the cover in place. Install the backplate onto the outdoor unit by using the Phillips head screws and your screwdriver. Before installing your outdoor unit on the mounting arm, you'll need to attach the adjustable metal clamp. Use your screwdriver to loosen the clamp. Then, attach the clamp to the bracket by passing it through, creating a U-shaped loop. Now you can attach the bracket to the backplate. Align the holes on the backplate with those on the bracket and use a screw to attach it. Your Smart Hub Outdoor Unit is now ready to go outside. By the way, your unit comes with some stickers that show the admin password for the outdoor unit. This is not your Wi-Fi password and is only needed for maintenance purposes. We recommend that before you install your outdoor unit, you apply the sticker with this password onto the power adapter so that it's easy to access if you need it. The next step is to mount the unit outside in the best possible location. You have the option of installing your outdoor unit directly onto a wall or onto the included mounting arm. We recommend the arm as it will allow you to easily point the unit in the direction of the cell tower. You'll need the TELUS Connect app to find the direction of the install and a ladder to help you reach the optimal location. It's very important to point your outdoor unit in the direction of the nearest cell tower. This is the most critical step in installing your unit. Use the TELUS Connect app to align the unit for the best signal. Next, you'll need to pick a location to mount your unit. This mounting point should be fairly high up, between 2.5 and 4.5 meters from the ground and facing the direction determined by the compass. For the best possible signal, try to avoid immediate obstructions. Move around to find the best location, but keep the unit facing in the same direction towards the cell tower. You should also avoid mounting the unit at the highest point on the house to avoid lightning risks. Once you've selected a mounting point, plan a route for the Ethernet cable. This cable should be able to reach a power outlet. You can route the cable by drilling a hole in the wall or through any existing opening. Once your cable is routed, you can connect the outdoor unit to a power outlet. Then insert the other end of the Ethernet cable into the power adapter. Make sure it's plugged into the port labeled LAN out. Once plugged in, your outdoor unit will begin to boot up and the indicator LEDs will turn on. Make sure you don't unplug it for up to 10 minutes as it will automatically update the firmware when plugged in. The indicator LEDs will help you to test the mounting location for your outdoor unit. Just take the unit to the desired location and check the signal LEDs. If you don't have at least one signal light, you'll need to pick a better location. Once you're confident you've got the best location, it's time to install your mounting arm. For this step, you'll need the mounting arm as well as screws and anchors from the accessories kit. You'll also need a few of your own tools. Begin by marking the screw holes where you've chosen to mount the arm. Make sure the holes are level to avoid your arm being lopsided. You can then drill the screw holes and hammer in the anchors if needed. Next, use a screwdriver to attach the mounting arm to the wall. Use your adjustable wrench to adjust and tighten the mounting arm as needed. Once the arm is securely fastened to the wall, slide the outdoor unit onto the mounting arm. Orient it for the best signal quality and adjust the metal clamp until the unit is tightly secured. With the Smart Hub outdoor unit now installed, it's time to set up your TELUS Wi-Fi Hub. First, make sure you have your Wi-Fi hub, your power supply, and your Ethernet network cable. Then, place the Wi-Fi hub in a clear, open space off of the floor. Avoid placement near any thick walls or heavy objects that might block the signal, and give it at least 2 inches of space to avoid overheating. Next, connect your Wi-Fi hub's Ethernet cable to the power adapter. Make sure you plug it into the port labeled LAN in. Then, connect the other end of your Ethernet cable to the back of your Wi-Fi hub. Plug it into the yellow port labeled LAN WAN 4. Once the Ethernet cable is connected, you can plug the Wi-Fi hub into a power outlet. The Wi-Fi hub will automatically turn on. You'll notice the lights on the Wi-Fi hub will flash different colors while starting up. Wait for the internet light on the front to turn green and the Wi-Fi light in the lid to turn blue. This could take up to 5 minutes. Open the Settings app on your phone and tap Wi-Fi to ensure that your Wi-Fi is turned on. In order to connect your device to the Wi-Fi, you'll need to scan the QR code under the lid of your Wi-Fi hub. Alternatively, tap the network name printed under your Wi-Fi hub's lid and enter the Wi-Fi password manually. Return to the TELUS Connect app and press Next to continue. Enter your Wi-Fi admin password located under the lid of your Wi-Fi hub. Note this is not the same admin password as the one for your outdoor unit. Once you've entered your Wi-Fi password, you're done. Your Wi-Fi hub is now connected. You can use the TELUS Connect app to rename your network and set a new password. Don't forget to connect all your devices to your new Wi-Fi network. Now the only thing left to do is sit back and enjoy your new TELUS high-speed internet with 5G-ready device. For more information, visit us at telus.com/smarthubsetup.